Hello, today I show you how to back up WordPress website manually. It is very easy and secure. First, go to cPanel and login. Find out File Manager in cPanel. You see, this is my cPanel interface. Here is the home directory and here is public HTML. In this folder you will see your all WordPress file and folders. If you click here, all file and folder will be pop up in the right side. You see public HTML and the right side name, file name, all the necessary WordPress file and folder is here. Just select all. It is already selected with blue color, light blue color, and press compress. Just click compress. You see the window will pop up. Now choose the file format. I will choose zip, and you can give the file name. Better to give a new name, or you can put as is. I will just write new download, then just click compress files. You see, and it is compressed. Close this window. We don't need it. And now you can see here is the zip file. Just we created it. You need to download this file. Select this file and go to top menu, click download, save, and remember the file name and location. You see all the details about this file is here. Close it. It is for security. Never keep any zip file in this folder. It is not secure. Remember this, please. Just select this zip file and click delete. It will be deleted. You see? And next confirm. And no more. Now it is secure. Just close this window and go to cPanel again. Main window, and find out PHP my admin, or just type here in search box PHP my admin. Just PHP my admin will pop up, will show you. You see PHP my admin. Just click here, and here is my database. I have only one database. This is why nothing here more than one, but you may have more database. Be careful. Select the right one. It is very important. Then click your database name. All database file will be pop up. That will show in right side. Big window. You see. Select all first. Then click export button. Top side. You see. Export. Just click here, and all parameters leave as is. I don't want to show my file name because for security it is not necessary for you. You see, the SQL database file is here. Here is my 2 important backup files. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel.